Today I'm going to show you how to recover hacked Facebook accounts. So let's get into it. First go to your Google Chrome and here search for the Facebook hacked account. Or you have to click on the very first link and after that you have to click on the first link here. I think my Facebook account has been hacked. Now at this interface you have to click on the visit this page option. Now select the option my account is compromised. Once you select this option, here you have to enter your email address or you have to enter your current or old password and press on the continue button. After entering your password, here you have to again enter your email address that is associated with that account. Now hit on the search button. Once you hit on the search button, it will show the related accounts. Then from the given list you have to find your account. Once you find your account, now hit on the this is my account option. It will take you to this interface. Here you have to again enter your current or old password. Once you enter your password, then hit on the continue button and after it will straight log into your account. So that's how you can recover hacked Facebook account.